Hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we are going to be talking about winter 2022 or 2021 closet essentials. I always make these kinds of videos and I think I kind of missed this whole year. I think I did them last year, not this year, and I don't know why I missed. But since I'm doing Vlogmas, which is a little bit different on my channel, I'm just posting every day for the month of December leading up to Christmas. They're not all vlogs. I've been kind of racking my brain for video ideas, and then I remembered I used to do these, so I'm really excited to get back into it. So if you guys want to see my Vlogmas, make sure to subscribe if you want to. There are a few vlogs here and there, but I don't do much. But before we get into today's video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Gap for sponsoring this video. I've been wearing Gap my whole life, and their denim I've been wearing, my best friend Katie got me on Gap denim like a year ago. I really love the quality of their jeans. Sorry to interrupt, but I want to make sure you guys don't miss this sale. Gap is having a really big flash sale with 50% off your purchase. Use the code BIGFLASH and then get an extra 10% off with treat. If you're looking to shop Gap for holiday gifting, they have gift cards, and this includes the physical ones and the e-gift cards. You can even add a little photo on the e-gift cards to make it that personal touch. And if you want to check out any of the products I mentioned today, they're all going to be in the description box of this video. So my first winter closet essential is something I talked about in my winter trend videos, and that is ugly shoes. So if you know what I'm talking about, I just mean like the potato looking shoes. There are a bunch of different options for this, but Gap actually sells these little black Sherpa ones. I just want to show that I'm wearing them, but I'll show you better. These little black Sherpa shoes, and I haven't taken them off since I've gotten them. They're honestly so adorable. I've already got Ernie hair on mine because that's just my brand. They have like a jelly grip bottom, so I think you could wear them outside, just not in like the wet or something. But they have another pair that are the like puffer shoe material. They look like a puffer jacket but on your foot. They didn't have my size last time I looked, but I'm going to check again and probably pick those up. I'm on the email list for when they come back in stock because I'm really liking these ones. So ugly shoes for me are a must. The next winter wardrobe essential, are you guys surprised this wasn't my first one? It's a chunky scarf. Gap actually sells really cute plaid chunky scarves. They have more of the color block ones, like different colors, but I don't have a gray one yet, so I wanted to pick this one up. It is absolutely giant, as you can tell, and they're really affordable, so soft. I already know I'm going to be wearing this scarf all the time. I love it super dressed down or dressed up. I like to wear them over my ears like this, and it kind of gives that like balaclava look. Honestly, this one works better than my other one because it's thick, but it's not as thick as my other scarf. So like when I wrap it around my head, it kind of stays better. So this is really cute. And then also I wanted to show you guys, I got this hoodie from Gap. Obviously, it's super, super cute. I got it in a size large because I like my hoodies oversized. It's literally so soft, and the Gap logo is just absolutely iconic. So I could not get a Gap hoodie. But if you put your hood up, I love how big this hood is. You put your hood up, and then you guys are gonna think I'm dumb. Put your scarf around your hood, and then if you like have a jacket on over top, it kind of gives the illusion of like a balaclava. So if you guys don't want to spend the money on a balaclava, or you just haven't found one you like yet, or you just like this look in general, try taking a scarf and putting it over your hood. Yeah, I saw this on Pinterest, like just some girl was wearing it in a Pinterest photo, how Pinterest works, and I thought it was so adorable, so I had to show you guys. Very cute, because I don't think a balaclava is a winter wardrobe like essential for 2022. I think it's a trend, and I think like these are a trend too, but a scarf is a freaking essential if you want to get the look without having to buy anything. I'm sure you guys all have a scarf. You can do that with a hoodie and a scarf. Very cute. The next wardrobe essential is another trend I talked about, and that's the bomber jacket. So, surprise, I found one on Gap. This one is Sherpa lined, so it'll actually keep you warm in the winter time. I've been looking for a like lined bomber jacket because I recently just got one, but it's just not warm enough to wear in the like winter. But I know if I layer properly underneath this, will be good. It also is like a material where like it's like windbreaker, so the wind won't make you freeze. This was actually from the men's section. I just got an extra small and I absolutely love it. They have it in another like cream color that I'm probably gonna pick up. But yeah, I love this so much. So cute. The next winter wardrobe essential, I talked about this in my last winter wardrobe essential video, which I think was actually just last year, and that's long underwear. You can get long underwear from anywhere, but it is my key secret to being able to wear anything in the winter time. Obviously, like layering anything helps, and with like that bomber jacket, getting it in oversized, you can put so much underneath, or like hoodies, you can really put a lot underneath. But the thing is, you don't have to put a lot underneath. Long underwear, like thermals, they're super thin and they're skin tight and they just trap the heat. I always wear my long sleeve one underneath everything, and then my like legging kind of long underwear. That's only if it's like freezing or if I'm like gonna be outside for a while. My long underwear long sleeve shirt, I wear it 24/7. You can find them absolutely anywhere. The next winter wardrobe essential for me are a pair of loose jeans. Now, the reason I say loose jeans is so you can fit your long underwear underneath them. Luckily, loose jeans are trendy now. It's not like back in 2012 when we had to fit our long underwear under our jegging jeans. Now long underwear easily goes into my jeans. I don't know why that sounded weird. But denim in general, like, it's such a staple and we still love to wear it in the winter time. But if I wear denim without anything underneath, like when I walk Ernie, my legs freeze. There's nothing that makes my legs colder than denim. So I got 2 pairs of jeans from Gap. They're literally just so good. They are both in the same style. These are loose mid-rise and I got them in a size 27. I'm normally a 25 and I got them in tall. I'm only 5'7". I didn't need to get tall, but I did. They're mid-rise, but I really like them because I can pull them to low-rise, which I like my jeans better low-rise. I wore these ones in my last vlog where I get dressed every day with you guys. I got them in a bigger size so I can pull them low-waisted, but then if I do the little TikTok hack through the like belt loop, it makes them just enough smaller where I can make them a little bit more high-waisted, and it's like 2 looks for 1 pair of jeans. Oh my god. And if you've never felt Gap denim, it's got a little bit of stretch to it. They're 99% cotton, so they're like a true denim, which I love, but they feel like butter. So these are already my new favorite blue jeans of all time. I literally just cleaned out my closet. You guys should be seeing that video soon. I've been filming so much. My brain can't wrap around it, but I got rid of basically all of my jeans because I'm obsessed with those. I also got them in black and I'm literally wearing them right now. I was laying in bed in this hoodie and jeans, which is like a cute outfit, and they feel like pajamas. They are so cozy and I can fit my long underwear easy peasy underneath them. And the last winter wardrobe essential for me in winter 2022 is a pair of sheer tights. And I know what you're thinking. You can't wear sheer tights in the winter. It's way too cold. But with that, a pair of fleece lined tights. Obviously, you can get sheer tights anywhere. They sell them on Gap. I have 100 pairs already in my dresser because they're always ripping. You just need to get new ones all the time. But then I also have a pair of fleece lined tights. Literally just Google them and a million pairs will come up. They're pretty inexpensive. You only need 1 pair of fleece lined tights. Try and get a color as close to your skin tone as you can, and then put your sheer tights over top, and it literally looks like you're just wearing your sheer tights, but you've got this nice warm layer of fleece underneath. And if you want to be even crazier, you can put your long underwear on and then your fleece lined tights and then your sheer tights, and you're gonna be warmer than all the boys standing outside in their denim with nothing underneath. That's it for this this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again to Gap for sponsoring this video. I still can't believe that this happened. Literally all because of you guys. Thank you so much. Every like, comment, subscription, DM, it does not go unnoticed. I appreciate you guys more than you'll ever know. And that's it for this video. If you want to check out any of the products I talked about today, check the link in the description box, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you so much. Bye.